All right, we're going to talk about how to set up the integration for Procore in your DroneDeploy project. We're going to specifically look at the project level today, and the prerequisite here would be that your org admin connects to the Procore integration at the org level. But today we're just going to be talking about setting up the Procore project to your DroneDeploy project. So first go into the settings in the top right. Once you've navigated to your project, you're going to go down to integrations. We're going to select the Procore option here. And now we're going to choose the correct company. So you want to make sure you've been added to the company and to the project that falls under that company. You're going to select the correct company here, and then you're going to select the correct project. Note you will need proper permissions in order to add it to DroneDeploy here, so make sure you have those permissions ahead of time in order to access the project through DroneDeploy. So we're going to select that project, and now we're going to have 3 pins down here that we're going to want to consider. The first is auto export pin media. So anytime you capture panos or photos on the interior side of your project, these will automatically push to Procore every time that you sync them after you capture. So we want to turn this on if we want that to happen. Also, if we are capturing larger files like panos, larger panos or larger photos, and we want them to end up in Procore documents instead, we can go ahead and select that in conjunction with that toggle up there, and this will push into Procore documents instead of Procore photos. So this will go normally into Procore photos right here, and all your panos and photos will end up in right here, and you'll have timeline and albums. But if you want them to end up in documents instead, you can go ahead and select that option. All right. Now the last option here is auto sync drawing revision. So this allows you to sync the latest revision you made in the drawing from Procore and have that sync into DroneDeploy. So if we go into our drawings, anytime that we make a revision to anything that we see here, if we have brought this in as an overlay or a floor plan to capture on in DroneDeploy, we're automatically going to make that update if we've updated it here. So we want to make sure that's turned on for best practice. Highly recommend that. And now we can talk about bringing in a floor plan to capture on as a level into your DroneDeploy project. So go into the drop down, you're going to hit new here, and then we're going to go to Procore. We're again going to select the proper company, and then we're going to select the proper project, and then we can search for the drawing that we want to bring in, and then we can go through the alignment process.